Hello and welcome to the InnEnergy Programming Trading Hours Guide. Please note that you should always read your printed instruction booklet before installing your InnEnergy device. The InnEnergy device can be programmed with up to 4 different trading periods each day. Each one has an open and close time. For this guide we will use sample trading hours from our establishment. Our establishment is open from 1100 till 1700 hours on a Monday, and again from 1800 hours to 2300 hours on Monday. On Tuesday it is open from 1100 hours to 200 hours the next morning, and on Wednesday between 1100 hours and 1730. On Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday it is closed. When programming opening hours, it can be useful to use the blank table at the back of your InnEnergy booklet. The sample trading hours just shown would be entered into the table as follows. On Monday, the first trading period is between 1100 hours and 1700 hours. This trading period would be entered into the table as shown. The establishment is also open between 1800 and 2300 hours on a Monday. This would be entered into the second trading period. As the establishment does not trade at any other times on a Monday, all of the other trading periods should be entered as off. On Tuesday, the establishment is open between 11 AM and 2 AM the next morning. This is a special case and should be treated as follows. On Tuesday, the establishment should be entered as being open between 1100 hours and 2400 hours. Then, on Wednesday, the establishment should be entered as being open between 000 hours and 200 hours. This will ensure continuous running of the cooler overnight until 2 AM the next morning. Whenever an establishment remains open after midnight, this method should be followed. On Wednesday, the establishment is open between 1100 hours and 1730. These trading hours should be entered into the second trading period on Wednesday, below the trading period carried over from Tuesday evening. As before, all other trading periods that are not being used should be entered as off. As the establishment is closed on Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, all of the trading periods on these days should be entered as off. Press the menu button to cycle through the different screens on the InnEnergy device. When you reach the engineering mode screen, press the OK button to enter the engineering code. Use the increment button to increase the value of the highlighted digit, and press the set button to move along. Press the menu button until the trading hours set screen is displayed. Then press the OK button to begin entering your trading hours. The InnEnergy device can be programmed with up to 4 different trading periods every day. Each trading period consists of an open and close time. To cycle through these times, press the time button. The different days of the week can be accessed by pressing the day button. Now it is time to begin programming our trading hours. For this we will need the table that we filled out earlier. Our sample establishment first opens at 1100 hours on a Monday. Looking at the table, it can be seen that this period is referred to as Open 1. Using the day and time buttons, find the corresponding trading period on the InnEnergy device. This should be Monday, Open 1. To change the time of Monday Open 1 on the InnEnergy device, press the arrow button. Then use the increment button to increase the value of the highlighted digit, and use the set button to move to the next digit. Once the final digits are being highlighted, press the Set button to save and confirm this change. Our establishment next closes at 1700 hours on a Monday. As can be seen from the table, this time period is referred to as Close 1. Find the corresponding time period on the InnEnergy device. Monday, Close 1. Once again, press the arrow button, then use the increment and set buttons as before. On a Monday, our sample establishment opens once again, between 1800 hours and 2300 hours. As can be seen from the table, these trading periods are referred to as Open 2 and Close 2 respectively. Use the time button to find the corresponding trading periods on the InnEnergy device. Then program these trading times as before. Our sample establishment does not open again on a Monday. As a result, the remaining trading periods should be programmed as off. The next trading period is Open 3. To change this to off, press the arrow button and press the increment button until off is displayed. To confirm this choice, press the Set button. This should be repeated for all remaining trading periods that are not being used. Looking at the table, the next trading period is on Tuesday between 1100 hours and 2400 hours. This should be programmed as before by finding Tuesday Open 1 and Tuesday Close 1 and entering the correct time using the increment and set buttons. To ensure uninterrupted power to the cooler overnight until 2 AM the next morning, the next trading period is on Wednesday between 000 hours and 200 hours. Again, this should be programmed as before. Subsequently on Wednesday, the next trading period is between 1100 hours and 1730. Remember that all other trading periods that are not being used should be set to off. Having programmed your trading periods for the first time, it is a good idea to review them. To do this, use the time and day buttons to cycle through the different trading periods on each day. Once you are happy that your trading hours have been successfully programmed, press the exit button to return to the trading hours set screen. Then press the menu button until the date time screen is displayed. Please ensure that you have programmed your trading hours correctly. If you have not programmed them correctly, your cooler may turn on and off at odd times. Should this occur, check first that your trading hours have been programmed correctly. Only having done this should you contact your InnEnergy distributor for further advice. Congratulations for successfully programming your InnEnergy device. For further details about DFX other energy saving products, please visit www.dfxtech.co.uk. Thank you for watching.